Hostinger versus HostArmada, two giants in the web hosting world, one huge question: which one really delivers? On the left, Hostinger, known for its budget-friendly plans and speed. And on the right, HostArmada, famous for strong security and reliable performance. Let's skip the sales pitches and jump straight into real-world results. Each category gets scored, and by the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The winner might just surprise you. Okay, here's the game plan. We're comparing Hostinger and HostArmada across a bunch of categories: pricing and value, performance, hosting features, customer support, ease of use, security, and of course, server locations. Let's tackle these one by one and see who comes out on top. Starting off with pricing and what you actually get for your money, Hostinger honestly just nails it if you're watching your wallet. Their plans start super low, sometimes as crazy as $1.39 a month, and they're often tossing in a free domain. But here's the thing, those rock-bottom plans, you don't get the advanced stuff like daily backups unless you're willing to pay up a bit. Now flip to HostArmada. Their starting price is a tad higher, but oh man, every single plan comes with daily backups and lots of robust features right out the gate. So you're not getting nickel and dimed, but you are paying a little more upfront. In the end, if every dollar matters, Hostinger is the winner here. Let's talk speed and reliability, because nobody likes a slow website, right? Hostinger brings in some seriously peppy load times, like we're talking 1.3 seconds average. Pretty impressive, plus you get a global CDN and lots of different data centers. Only catch, their cheapest plans, sometimes during busy hours, can slow down a bit. Then with HostArmada you still get solid performance, around 1.5 seconds for loads thanks to their cloud SSD, but their selection of global server locations just isn't as broad. So yeah, Hostinger takes the cake again for sheer global performance. Now features, Hostinger is pushing things like lightspeed caching, a free SSL, and even this cool AI website builder. Pretty beginner-friendly, right? Downside, daily backups and website staging don't always come standard unless you're on a higher plan. Meanwhile, HostArmada, kind of the unsung hero here: daily backups on every plan, a web app firewall, anti-malware scanning, and they'll even migrate your site for free. Little downside. It's all classic cPanel over there, which some newbies might find, I dunno, a bit much. Still, for feature completeness, HostArmada wins this round easily. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Hostinger's AI website builder can literally whip up a whole site layout in seconds just from a 2-question quiz? Seriously, it feels like magic. What about support? Hostinger's got 24/7 live chat and a decent help center, but full honesty, if you reach out during peak times, just be ready to wait a bit. HostArmada totally steps it up with 24/7 chat, phone, ticket support, you name it, and their actual reps get tons of shoutouts for fast, friendly help. So when it comes to feeling like someone actually has your back, HostArmada sweeps this one. Okay, ease of use matters a ton. Hostinger keeps it really simple. Their custom H-panel is tidy, beginner-friendly, and they've sprinkled in AI tools to get your site online fast. The only caveat is, on those starter plans you might notice some features missing. With HostArmada, cPanel is great for power users, but honestly it can feel a bit overwhelming if you're totally new. So for this round, Hostinger is definitely a little easier, especially for newbies. Let's dig into security, because let's face it, you want your site to be safe. Hostinger packs in Monarch's anti-malware, 2-factor authentication, DDoS protections, and they're actually ISO 27001:2017 certified, which adds some real cred. Not all the goodies show up on the entry plans, but still pretty solid. HostArmada does a good job too, especially with daily backups, WAF, and malware scans. But wait, no independent security certs listed. That's a ding. So this category goes to Hostinger. Now, global reach matters, especially if your visitors aren't just local. Hostinger gives you 10+ data centers scattered around the world. That's some serious coverage and redundancy. HostArmada, they've got multiple locations too, just, well, fewer, and mostly focus on North America and Europe. So if world domination is your thing, Hostinger has the edge here. Alright, if you step back and look at the full scorecard, Hostinger's acing it in places like pricing, performance, and global reach. HostArmada totally shines when it comes to support and extra features. Both have their strong points, but some categories are just dominated by one or the other. So here's my take. If you want a no-fuss, budget-friendly host that's fast and super easy for beginners, and you want your site accessible worldwide, Hostinger's a fantastic pick. But if you'd rather pay a bit extra for stellar support, built-in daily backups, and feature-rich plans, even on the starter level, then HostArmada might be your new best friend. Both are strong, but different people will vibe with different strengths. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.